Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In our today's lesson, we are going to learn on how to convert decimal to octal number. And a decimal number, this is a number system which uses 10 different digits in counting. Hence, the name base 10 number system. And the digits that make the 10 digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. While for the octal, the other one, this is a number system where we use 8 different digits. And the 8 digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope you have written the difference between the two cases. So for the decimal, we have 10 different digits. For the octal, we have 8 different digits. Okay, let's move now to the steps that we take whenever we want to convert a decimal number to an octal number. So step number 1, you write down the given number. Then you continuously divide that number by 8, writing down the remainder until the quotient is 0. Then lastly, you read the remainder from the bottom upwards to obtain the answer. And then write it in base 8 as you can see. Okay, let's move to the actual example. Okay, let me try to. Okay, I hope you can see the two cases, the two screens, where we have this is our example, these are the steps. So, step number 1 is to write the number. This is our number, as you can see. Step number 2, you continuously divide that number by 8, writing down the remainder until the quotient is 0. Okay, let me do that. So, my number is 100. Okay, let me make correction of this one. So this is 100 divided by 8, and the answer is 12. Remainder 4. Then step number 2, get the answer that you have gotten, that is 12 divided by 8, which is going to give us 12 divided by 8 is supposed to give you 1, remainder 4. Remember, for my case, I'm using the long division method. So that's why we are saying that this is 100 divided by 8, which is how we are dividing the normal division. Okay, now our remainder is 1 over 8, which is 0, remainder 1. So what we have so far is that we have divided the given number by 8, which is our first step, writing down the remainder until the quotient is 0. So as long as you get the quotient is 0, this is my quotient, the one I'm underlining. As long as the quotient is 0, that's the end of the working. Then the last step is to write the remainder from bottom upward to obtain the answer. So the answer should be from the bottom upward. Therefore, we can conclude by saying that the answer is 1, 4, 4, then the base 8. That is the correct answer. But now to convert a decimal number to an octal number. Okay, having done that, let's move now to the next example. Our next example, we have 678. I will give you maybe 2 minutes for you to go through the example. You can attempt following the instruction that we have highlighted. Okay, let me try to create two screens so that you can practice using the steps that I have highlighted on this other screen. And guys, if you are new on this particular channel, don't forget to subscribe and also share with your friends that are doing the same thing on the conversion processes. Okay, I hope that you have done it. Okay, let's move now to the actual calculation. So my number is 6. The number is 6. So the number is 678. Then we divide by 8. Okay, from this one you will get 84. The remainder, then the remainder is 6. Then the 84, we have the 84 divide by the 84 divide by 8. I'm going to get 10 remainder 4. 10 remainder 4. Then we have the 10 8. You will get 1 remainder 2. Then from the 1 divide by 8, you will get 0 remainder 1. Remember that the rule, as long as you get the quotient being 0, it means that that's the end of your working. So having gotten our quotient being 0 is to read the answer upward. Therefore, the final answer is 1, 2, 4, 6, remainder 8. That's the final answer. So what we have done, we have converted 678 base 10, which is our decimal, to 1246, which is our octal number, and this is the correct answer for our working. Hope up that to that point we are still making some progress. Okay, let's make our last example where we have, write this down, where we have 90, 96. Okay, maybe you can have 3 minutes following the rules and try to see whether you'll be able to get the final answer. Okay, I hope that you have done the whole thing. Okay, let me try to work with you as you watch. So the number is 96. 96 divided by 8, which would get 12. Reminder 0. Then we have the 12, 8, which we are going to get 1 reminder 4. Then we have the 1 divided by 8, which we are going to get 0 reminder 1. I hope that you have gotten the answer as 140 base 8. It is that simple because we are supposed to read the answer upward. So that is how we convert decimal numbers to octal numbers. In my next class, we will cover decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Hope you have learned something, and in that case, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. If you have already subscribed in the previous video, don't forget to like and also to share with your friend. Thank you for watching the video. Have a